Hey guys, today we're gonna do something fun. We're playing the Lightning Dollar League. We're gonna play Chiquita Bonita against Kung Fu Master. $500 each. We're gonna see who gets a bonus first and see who gets the most out of this session.
Pick it up.
All right, guys, we each put 500 in. Lightning Dollar Link. I'm starting with 10 cents. Cam, what are you gonna do? What denom?
I'm trying to figure this out, but maybe 5 cents.
He's going 5 cents. All right.
Go up and down on the denominator.
All right. Do we want to do $5 on 5 cents? So we're both doing $5?
Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, I can get away with that.
All right. Let's see what happens.
All right.
You know what? We'll move it around. Whoever
Move it
gets a bonus first.
All right. Oh, we're starting now.
So on my game, I need 6, and so do you, of the red. I need 6 red circles. You need 6 coins.
Definitely.
And I need 3 Kung Fu dudes.
Hey, this is
Yeah.
fun of a kind already.
I think the lady likes you.
She likes me.
You may get the bonus first.
I mean, you're going to be a Kung Fu master by the end of this. I can already see.
$13.50 on that one. That was pretty good.
I like these spicy little...
Hot peppers.
Yeah. Come on.
Come on.
2 more.
Oh, she likes the margaritas. She likes margaritas.
Oh, they're $9. Not bad.
All right, here we go. Let's see what we could do on $500. 3 more.
Oh, close.
Ooh, mini. Mini's 100.
There we go. Double up.
She's loving the margaritas. Come on. Oh, my little Kung Fu guy. I love him. I'm gonna go $10 a few spins. I'm gonna go ahead of you.
You're gonna hit it hard?
I'm going 10.
$10.
The 10 cents. 10 cents is good on these. Because you have, how many lines do we have? Let's see. I'm playing 50 lines. Are you playing 50?
10 cents, yeah. Come on, 2 more spikes.
I think you get more hits though when you do the 25 lines. Even though you get more line hits.
Probably. So it just drops it back down to
Yeah, it's weird.
250. Throws me off every time.
I'm gonna try it at 250. It's going fast.
Yeah.
We gotta get something. Come on.
That was a lot.
Oh.
A lot of ladies.
A lot of ladies. I got a lot of Kung
Just said I
Fu.
couldn't handle that. So.
Oh no.
Come on.
Peppers, there you go.
You're gonna be a Kung Fu master. I'm
We
telling
got 25 lines.
I'm gonna try something.
Where are you going? Dollars? I'm gonna come with you on the dollars. I know, that's the problem. Double, triple, mini. 3, you got the first bonus. You got it. Let's watch your bonus. Let's watch it.
Ready? Start the feature. Oh, you get 8 things with this. Come on, feature to feature. Let's go.
Come on.
This music they play.
I'll tell you, that car one is really noisy. I can't even hear. Yes.
Come on.
Oh, man. Peppers? Oh, I thought we were re-triggering there. Oh, come on, Chiquita Bonita over here.
This could be $15.
Oh, my God, so fresh.
Wow.
So fresh she was. That was rough.
I have the first feature, but...
All right, maybe that's better. Double mini, I just saw. I mean, if it would hit something, it would be fabulous.
I'm going to just do it down to 3.
You remember when I played this and I did really well.
I do remember when you played this and you did really well.
These are like interesting machines though.
These Yeah, it's
I haven't gotten one thing yet.
nothing yet. Come on.
Three more. I think 50 cents is the way to go, it looks like.
I mean, we're here to make some money, so let's do this right away.
Well, it's not like we're betting crazy.
No. I don't think we should. Maybe 2 cents. Maybe try $3, $6 bet.
Well, you got the first bonus.
That's true.
I'm going down hard here. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Wow.
Come on.
Oh.
Come on. It's gonna come.
Oh, man. All right, I'm going to try one more move. We can only pray. You're way ahead of me.
At the moment, try 50 lines instead.
Yeah, I've been playing the 50. Nothing's happening.
There's something on that.
Come on. Oh, my goodness, I'm at the press bolt.
You're already out on the first?
I'm already out on the first. Let's see where you go.
Oh, that was a nice ball. 37.50? I think something's coming here.
Oh, you moved to
It's
2
blinded.
cents.
Yeah, I want to see where this goes. I want to see this. 10.
There we go.
Come on, Spicy. Make it spicy for me.
Spicy is unspicy today.
Oh, one more.
Come on, you can do it.
Spice. Oh, I saw the major there. Come on.
Well, I'm going to wait till you go down and see if we can get something here.
Come on. Let's do this.
All right. Come on.
I mean, maybe they just need to feel like they're primed up a little bit.
Go to Penny's Max Bet.
Yeah, I think you're right. I love Penny's Max Bet.
Penny's Max Bet.
Yeah, we got 10 spins on it.
There you go. Look at that.
750 on that. Oh, there's a minor. I mean, it's $50, but
Hey, you can get triple minor.
that's true. All right, there we
All right. I like it.
go. These line-ins are coming back.
All right. Yep. See, I was right.
Yeah, no. I always.
Oh, that would have been 100.
Under the minor. This minor keeps popping up here. Wow.
Oh, that would have been nice.
Come on.
Oh my, 3 triple minor. Oh.
It's just teasing me right
It
now.
really is. But it goes to show, I think the $10 1 penny is the way to go.
I always love max bet on this. Come on, here we go.
Maybe.
$8. Come on.
All right.
Please.
I'm telling you.
Keeping me alive. 660. Come on. Triple penny. Yeah, you're right. Look.
I may have to re-up a little here.
I think that's going to end up happening. Come on.
There we go. Oh, sugar.
Sugar.
Come on. It's your last spin. 3 more. Oh, you got some good numbers showing, man.
I think I should stay on that.
Yeah, I say we re-up 300.
300?
Yeah. Oh, do we have a little bet going here?
A little bit of a bet.
All right.
First, if I'm wrong, I have to dress up in a squirrel costume. Oh. All right, let's do this again.
All right.
Come on.
3 more. Oh, that would have been nice. Come on. Look at that. Double minor. I think it shows like all the doubles and minis, all that at the really low denom.
Yeah.
Like you don't see it a lot.
On the tops.
No.
Ooh.
I mean, we've got 100 lines I'm playing.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah.
I got a border on $11. Oh,
How many lines is on 2 cents? Still 100.
Still 100. Yeah.
I'm gonna do that.
Come on.
I think Kung Fu decided to Kung Fu himself somewhere else.
Kung Fu. He's Kung Fuing. He's hanging out with the Karate Kid.
My goodness.
$71 on that.
That's really good.
Yeah. Triple. Come on, just do that again. Over and over. Oh, God.
All right, he doesn't want to be my friend today.
Come on, 3 more. Oh!
Oh, wow. I think now it's just play till one of us gets a bonus of some sort.
At this point, yeah. Let's go, Chiquita Bonita. Chiquita Bonita.
Chiquita Bonita, oh my God. He's eating my money.
I'm not getting
bigger, right?
Yeah.
2 cents. Sometimes, the machine is not giving. If you're hitting bigger,
So do 2 cents.
Yeah.
Or 2 cents. Maybe $6 flip. $6.
All right, I'm going to take your advice.
3 more. What's he saying?
2 cents.
Yeah. And then 50 lines or 100?
I'm playing 2 cents, $10.
Like $10.
I do. I'll do 6. He wants me to do 6. Wow, that's a nice one.
Oh, wow.
That would be a nice. Oh, almost. Maybe meet me.
I tried 6.
Well, he's telling me 6. I'm listening.
I hope so.
That big one.
Yeah, me too. 3 more. At least I'm seeing numbers.
Come on. There we go. Oh, I thought it was a 5.
I just did a big one,
Ooh, funny.
just for fun.
Well, I'm gonna cycle through the 6. There we are. Come on.
I normally don't play 2 cents.
No, I rarely see it. $18.90 on that one.
You know what? I'm gonna go 5 cents. And then I'm gonna give up because
Yeah,
he is not playing nice in the sandbox.
not today.
I think you're gonna tap out, right? Yeah.
I'll wait to see you. Let's see you get something.
Nothing says we can't move.
Oh, you can move however you want.
All right, let's play this mad dog. All right.
Go.
I had a feeling on these machines, but I don't know. I'm gonna go back here and see.
Come on. Let's go,
Ooh,
Binky.
come on. Oh,
Chris.
it's amazing that I can't get a.
Not even one board.
I know. There's something on $5, right?
That's what it was doing to me. 2 on the sides. Let's go.
Come on, we can do it. 6 numbers.
Feature. Let's go.
Feature, creature feature.
Oh.
Let's see if we can do something. Oh, it's being so fresh.
Oh. Come on. Come on.
I mean, not even a nada.
No.
So I have a very interesting thing to say.
What's the thoughts, Binky?
Switch seats.
Ooh, all right. I think that's an idea.
Let's see if he likes you better.
And let's see if she likes you better. I like this idea. All right.
What are we into this so far? We're in 800. Oh, let's put another. Let's go another 3.
On three?
Yep. Then we say adios.
It just wants to accept my card.
Really?
There we go.
Let's see if
Biggest head.
she likes it.
Let's see. We'll see if he likes me.
Yeah, I know. Maybe he likes you better. I mean,
Fair enough.
I certainly primed him up.
Yes, you did.
All right.
All right. Let's try this.
I don't know even what to try. Come on now. Ooh. Oh my God, look at that.
Wow. I should be giving it.
Two more. It is. But I'm on a mission to get it.
Go ahead.
I'm playing till I get a bonus.
I got a freaking board. Yeah, straight.
I get a bonus, I'm gonna be here till tomorrow. Come on, you little peppers.
Tap, tap, tap.
It's playing nasty.
Hey,
Oh my word.
go right down.
I just got eaten.
Nice, you got it.
What do you got going? Yeah, play low, play dollars.
Yeah, maybe. $2. Wow.
You know what? I'm moving.
Yeah?
Stop the camera.
All right.
Moved over, a fan told me go try this one. We got killed on the other two machines, so we are gonna try this. On this one we need bulls and capes. 3 bulls and a lot of capes.
Let's go.
I'm on $2, $10 denom. Oh, I like the net, like that, like banging noise. There we go. We got roses. Come on, bulls.
Bulls.
3 more capes. We got a nice high major up there right now. 3,000 on this one. Here we go. And we got a bonus. Thank you. She told me, can we drop that major or minor?
Oh.
There we go. Drop it. Drop anything. Come on, Kate. I saw a minor go flying by.
Right by there.
Bam, bam, bam. Drop us. How about some words? We love words. The whole board would be Fabamundo.
Fabamundo.
Oh. Save it right now.
Come on, drop it in.
All right, well, it's a start. We got something, right? It's a rough start.
That's some of the best.
All right.
Best time we had. Start with rough starts.
I know. Here we go. The
go.
fan behind us, she may have known what.
You know what to do.
This one's got Chiquita Banana going on over there.
Yeah.
Here we go. Ooh, the bowl.
Come on, bull.
Come on. Oh.
Come on. We want that $100.
I would love that. I would love it, love it.
$10 bet. Let's do
There's
it.
some bowls. Come on, let's do it. We need 3 of those bowls to get free games. I mean, at least we're seeing capes here.
Yeah, it's true. But right now, we want to grab the bull by the horns and not by the, you know.
I know, I'm loving this.
Go.
I'm gonna try 30. We're doing a few at 30. Oh.
Come on. Let's go. Oh. You had 3 bowls there, just on the same ones.
I know.
Oh, that's something.
I'm loving that major up there.
Dang, that is a good major. Oh, you're on $2 here.
Yeah. Ooh. Only 5 lines though.
Yeah. That's why. If you get the triple major, my God, let's go.
2 more, 2 more.
Gotta get the rainbow color, right? Oh!
Ooh.
Come on.
Let's try dollars. What is that? All right.
You're on 10 lines and it's gonna be.
Let's do $10, 10 lines. Oh, he made a lot of noise there.
This is 10 lines, you know.
I mean, I gotta get something for them.
Come on.
3 more, 3 more.
We're gonna block. Give us all the. What are those
Oh,
capes? Yeah, they're capes.
capes. Come on, mini, minor, major.
Minor, major. Mini, minor, major.
Oh, some bowls. There's something. I'm gonna do 1 at 30.
I just saw a major fly by.
Did you?
I did. Let's go.
Oh, those are big numbers.
Come on.
Come on, come on, come on. Ah. This is rough. 2 more? Oh. I want 3 a.m.
Yeah.
No.
Come on, 50-50. Yeah.
You know, I said I'm playing till I get a bonus.
Yes, you did.
Let's put our free play in. We're back on dollars. We are playing for that bonus.
Let's go, baby.
There we go.
Got some fuel in the fire here.
Some roses.
Yeah. Holes and roses.
Makes a lot of noise for a little nothing, huh?
Yeah, true.
6.
Isn't there a band called Holes and Roses?
Oh my goodness.
Oh!
Come on.
Yeah.
One more. Oh.
You can't tease us like this. Come on.
It is really abusing us. Oh, she just got peppers on yours.
Got peppers. Got the peppers. Nah, it's all paprika. You never know.
I don't know.
Never start. Let's go.
Bowls.
Bowls.
We need a whole caboodle.
It's coming. I'm willing to invest it. Look at that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
On the $10, $1 bet. That's gonna pay decent.
We could only hope. $100.
Yeah.
Now we need to fill up 2 more.
2 more.
Oh,
Oh, 5 kings. All right.
come on, roses.
There we go.
All right, numbers. Oh, re-trigger. We re-triggered.
So you get 3 more or 6 more?
3.
3.
All right, numbers. Come on.
There we go.
Oh, come on, 6 numbers.
Let's go.
6 numbers. So we got 9s. Can we get numbers? Doesn't pay a lot.
No. Oh, wow. I didn't think it was go up.
I know. Well, at least we got.
Some of your money back to even.
Well, at least we got the 3 games.
Yeah.
I want the capes now.
Oh yeah, let's get the capes. Yeah, free games can be hit or miss, right?
I mean, $200
Yeah.
on a $10.
Yeah, it's not bad. Not as good. Yeah, you can get $200 on just the actual ball
There
shop.
we go.
Come on.
Bowls. 6 numbers.
All right, there's something. Wow.
It doesn't
it's just
connect.
across the line. Yeah.
Because it's only 5 lines.
Yeah.
So it's got to be like,
Straight across.
right.
Or diagonal. That's it. All right.
$30. You would think that would be more, right?
Yeah, that should. It felt like it should. Two more.
Because it.
No.
Oh, double mini would be nice.
$1,000.
Come on, capers.
Capers.
Capers,
Let's get
capers.
Oh,
Come on, 6.
blocking the bulls.
I know, because you can't, in the $2 one,
Yeah.
like, it's literally got to be a line.
You're literally open on the feature on the $2 denomination.
I know.
Let's go.
Oh,
$1, $2 bets.
I know. I'm telling you, I think these machines out here want that.
They want you to throw that in. They don't want to give out the big.
Ooh, I just did a big one.
Oh,
Ah, that would have been so good if it got it.
so.
I'm gonna do the up down.
Scared money don't make money.
I'm just going all over the place to see what happens.
Let's go.
Bull. Come on, 6.
There
Yes.
we go.
All right, thank you, Lord.
Finish triple major, man. Let's get it.
Let's drop.
Still aboard for
Any words? Any words?
these numbers.
Oh no, save us, quick. Save us.
Yeah.
Come on, some colors, rainbow. Rainbow colors. Fill the board.
All at once.
Rainbow colors, capes. Come on, save us right now. Come on, drop something good.
$2,000 ball you saw. Let's go, big.
Is it in there? Is it in there? Here is the big cape.
Big.
Here it is.
Come on, just throw the ball in there.
I didn't see it.
I didn't see this. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not. $20 bet.
Still good. We'll take it. All right, we're back to even. Let's try it again. We just
Yeah.
need some double doubles.
Double.
Is that your card? You left your card.
Oh, that's my card.
Thank you. Let's go back to 10 for a minute.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, it makes a lot of noise and you think like something
Doesn't give you something big.
something big.
Come on. Oh!
Oh, I thought the bowl was coming.
Thought I dropped it on the 4th line.
30. 50.
No.
Three more. Oh, let's do another one. 20.
There's something.
One more. Keeps giving two.
Double, double. Oh,
That's
a good
120. Bowls.
Yeah.
Bowls.
Let's go, Bulls.
6 cakes.
I'm a Chicago fan now.
Bowl. Look at that again. All in the 20s, it's doing it.
There we go.
Fast tap.
Fast tap.
I mean, it's got a lovely minor, major.
Lovely minor. Lovely major.
Let's see if we can prove it wrong and get a word to drop in like doubles or triples.
So it's got the ball in there.
Where? I didn't see it.
There.
Oh, I saw the mini go by. It's right there. Oh,
Come on, give us some
come on.
colors.
Anything. Drop a cape. Any cape. Rainbow season of capes. It's right there. Come on.
There we go.
Keeps one coming down there. Come on, baby. Drop another cape.
Bam, bam.
Just fill the board.
Bam, bam.
Fill my board.
Oh, see, that's
Up there, yeah. It is in there. It is in there. What do you think's next? Huff and Puff?
I think Huff and Puff is on our to-do list.
Love it.
It's almost time for me to get back to it. It's been a while. Remember, I hit that major once.
I know. On what was that? 75 cents?
75 cents. 5,000 times my bet.
That is insanity.
That was insane.
One more. Oh,
That was on free play too.
I love that story.
Oh man,
It's like a feel-good story.
it was a great story. My other business partner was there with me.
Ooh.
Come on.
Oh,
Almost.
back to 20.
At least it's reacting. It's waiting to the
It's
very bottom. And then
making noise at least. We have not seen anyone even show a double mini or minor on this.
That's true. I know this is all RNG, but
I know.
I wonder what the algorithm is that decides on whether it's double or triple.
Let's go to dollars. We got a little more lineage on dollars. Can we get 6?
6? Yeah, you're gonna get 6.
Oh,
Come on.
there we go. 6. 3 balls.
We just want 6 capes. There's 6 conquistadors here taking on the bull.
I think so.
I mean, you've taken the bull. And
40.
there's a major. I saw that drop.
I saw
it.
it.
was there.
3 more. Seems to like 20 on this machine.
It does like 20 on this machine.
Oh.
At least it's not dropping like a major in front of you without the other capes, you know?
I mean, it's dropping none of those.
Nothing of it, yeah.
All right, let's do this.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, that was a big one.
That was a big, yeah. Double, triple. Oh, you're on the 10s.
I went
Or
1
the pennies,
penny.
I'm sorry. Let's go, Toro. Let's go, Toro.
Let's go 10 cents.
Let's go, Toro. Let's go, Toro.
All right. What do we got on 10 cents, $10? Oh my goodness.
Wow.
This is like painful.
That is the term. That is what I would say. Oh, come on.
Wow.
I should have given you something.
It was only doing it on the $2.20.
20.
It's got nice numbers.
Let's go, Bull.
All
Let's have it
right.
work here.
Lucky win. Lucky win. 6. All right. We're going to do a little challenge.
All right.
We're going to do $550 spins.
Oh, I like this idea. 10 $50 spins.
Yep. And see what happens.
Yeah.
And then we're moving.
Then we're
All right. Here we go, guys. Can we get something?
Here's something.
All right. We got our 50 back there. Can we get 6?
Get 11 spins out of it.
6. Oh. Oh. Come on, we can do it. 6 numbers. Oh.
Come on, you can do it.
Come on, we got it. Oh, double mini. Wow.
Come on, Toro.
All
My
right.
fingers crossed. Let's go. Some money.
Come on, 6. Oh. Wow, rough.
That is rough.
All right, well, let's do an outro. Rough ride on Lightning Dollar Link, but we got to show you guys all different denominations. They're just not hitting today. Maybe next time. We'll see you over at the Dollar Storm.